How to unsend message in Messenger Lite. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this video we will see that can you unsend a message in the Messenger Lite app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Messenger Lite app, then go to the chat where you want to unsend a message, and here for example if I want to unsend this message, let's see that do we get the option to unsend. So if I press and hold the message, and then here is the option to remove, but there is no option to unsend. If I tap on remove, here it says delete message, this cannot be undone, but here is no option to unsend. So now if you want to unsend, you have to download and install the normal Messenger app. This, go to Play Store or App Store and download it and install it. And if I try to unsend the message here, you can see that I get the unsend option. So if you to unsend this, press and hold the message, then tap on these three dots, then here tap on remove, and here you will get the option to unsend or remove for you. So tap on unsend to unsend it, and here it says message unsend and remove from the conversation, but they still be included if the conversation is reported. So now I have unsent the message, and this is how you can unsend a message on the Messenger. Thanks for watching.